So it's important that you order the genuine rework kit alongside it as well. But what we're going to do, we're going to take our time and we're going to remove the front screen from this one so that we can swap it out. We now need to remove these screws that hold down these shields and speakers on the back cover, and that underneath that is going to reveal our connector for the display. All these screws are the same size, so there's no worries about mixing any of these up. And if you like repair content just like this, make sure that you're subscribed for more videos. Now we can disconnect this flex cable just here for the wireless charging coil, and then we're going to lift up this metal shield